Hello, taxpayers. My name is CPA Aringo Frederick, and today I want to answer a question that majority of you have been asking about error 500. I know you're familiar with that error. Also, if at all you scan your, of course, the ETIMS receipt, if you scan that QR and you find yourself getting an error 500 and you wonder, why am I getting this error? So today I want to guide you on how you can always solve that issue without even calling Kenya Revenue Authority. I know you are familiar, very familiar with this error. You're very familiar with this error. See, error 500. You're very familiar with this error. So many times you will get this error anytime you are scanning your ETIMS receipt. So you'll find that this is as a result of two things. The first one, if you scan your ETIMS and you get that error, it is probably whatever receipt or invoice that you've generated, it has not yet reflected on the KRA system. And that's why anytime you scan, you will not get this. So at any given point in time, you do this and you feel like you're not getting it right, or it is not displaying, giving you the right maybe output. This is how you're going to work it out. It could be as a result of this. Anytime you are on your ETIMS, of course, there are various elements that you're going to see. And specifically, look at the waiting for upload. At any given point in time, whenever you're having the waiting for upload, this could be one of the reasons why it is not appearing, of course, on your end. Or if you scan, you're going to get that error. So all that you need to do to clear this error is always very simple. And these are what you'll always be required, of course, to go about it or to do to clear that. You see, where we're having an icon like this calculator here, right? So you need to come and click send. Make sure that your waiting quantity, it should be 0. The moment it has any number, that could be the issue, or that could be the reason why your invoice is not scanning. So how will you click, or how will you clear that? That is easy. All you need to do, you just click send. Yeah, come send. This operation was called asynchronously. You just do okay. So once you do that, in this case, you can click back. These are simple procedure, of course, on how you can go about it. We'll give it a moment. So many times you'll find that a lot of taxpayers will always be having these issues. So how to go about it? You see, when I started, it was 1. But once I've sent that invoice that has not been uploaded, you can clearly see here that my count has come back to 0. So once that has been done, try again and scan that invoice. And I assure you that invoice will definitely reflect the correct output. That is reason number 1 why your ETIMS receipt could not be, or rather, that's why the reason why your ETIMS receipt will not give the correct output of the QR that is scanned. The other reason, these are, of course, area where probably you as a taxpayer, unfortunately, you've been put under special table. Yeah, at what point will a special table come into place? Majority have been asking and have been complaining that many a times, of course, they are on special table. So what are the reasons that could lead you to be placed on a special table? One main reason, or reason number 1, is you have registered for VAT, But during the process of your businesses, probably, number one, you have always been filing nil returns. You've always been filing nil returns. So if you've always been filing nil returns, this already is a red flag. So of course, they'll put your account under special table. And the worst thing is that if at all you are on a special table, your client or your customer cannot claim the input. So you'll find that it will bring form of mistrust between the business and the client. And many times you'll find that input, of course, will always help us to reduce what? Our VAT liability. So you will be put on the special table, and at that point, of course, you will be required to visit Kenya Revenue Authority for it to be sorted out. Also, alternatively, you can always reach us out early the associates if you're on a special table, 07 46 888 398. That is our number. Or simply, you can also reach this other number of ours, which is 07 43 913 808. You reach us out and we will assist you on matters regarding special table. The other reason that you're going to be put on special table, and at this point, be very keen, right? So it is anticipated that, of course, many businesses, more so those that normally import, right, do importation. At times, it is expected that at times this credit that you normally have might go even more than 6 months. But unfortunately, right now, if at all you're having a credit for more than 3 months, there could be a chance that you're going to be placed on a special table. So you have to present yourself and explain the reason why all these inputs have not been cleared. You see, tough measures, right? So these are reasons why you can be placed on a special table. Of course, the other aspects are the updates that have been done in regard to ETIMS, which I'll be talking about that in our next video. Like, not like before, today, they have open ETIMS, all ETIMS solutions in a way that you can work out concurrently. Like, remember previously, it was strictly under one solution. So nowadays, or at this point, is that update whereby you can basically go around various ETIMS solutions. So that I'll do it in the next video. So today I just wanted to guide you on how you can always go about clearing the error 500 on your ETIMS. I believe this video has been of help. If at all there's anyone facing that challenge, of course, you can share this video, right? And for you as a business person, for you as a taxpayer, in the event that you need any form of tax consultancy, we are here ready to help you. I'm CPA Ringo Frederick, and I was your instructor today to guide you on how you can clear your ETIMS error 500. To that point, see you next time and have a nice time. Bye-bye.